A weld seam is a collection of complex information, but it's enciphered. A code. When viewed closely, it's actually a nanocode. What do spatter, flaking, undercut or pores tell you about the welding process? The gas used, the filler material, and efficiency of the whole process chain. Everything, when you're able to decipher the code. In the past, it was said, a good welder can set the correct welding machine parameters with the help of his hearing. Today, listening is even more important than ever. Materials are becoming more challenging, specifications more demanding, economic pressure more intensive, careful handling of the environment more important. The code of welding is becoming more and more complex. Deciphering the code includes the complete process chain. Listening, comprehension, and knowledge are the prerequisites for improving the efficiency of those processes. But why is it so important to decipher this code, the language of welding? We have realized, learned, and developed the language of welding to be in a position to manufacture welding systems fit for the demands of the present and the future. The future? The decisive factor will be to translate the increasingly complex language of welding into a language easily understood by the welder. At best, through use of one button only. The code has been deciphered. The future of welding has already started.